here. So today I decided that I need to get my together, and I think that what most people need to do in order to improve themselves and improve their life is to become more organized. So I decided that I want to make a command center. What's a command center? Let me show you some of the things I found on Pinterest, just so you have the idea of what I'm trying to make. So as I was looking through some of these examples of like the command center area, I noticed that they all have similar areas that they focus on. So that includes a calendar, maybe a meal plan or grocery list, a place to put bills, a place to store your mail, incoming and outgoing, an area to keep notes, and then I also wanted to add a coupon area. Okay, so now that you know what a command center is, I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got from the thrift store, and then we can go on from there. I'm at the thrift store, and I am looking for something to make like a home base so that I can get my life organized. And I just wanted to share a tip with you. So originally I had this item here because I just want to put it on the wall, so I'm looking for something that I can use a nail for, and I wanted it to match this one right here where I could hold my pens. So then I found these two items. This is the one that I had and it was for $3.99, and this is the other one that I had for $2.99. So I know that's not a big difference, but I'm planning on painting them anyway, and I like that this one is bigger, so I'm gonna go ahead and go with that one instead. Here's what I got from the thrift store. Other than the paint, I did stop at Walmart to get that. I bought a few things that I didn't need or didn't end up using. The first thing was the yellow nightstand thing. I actually just got that because it was $6.99 and I can spray paint it and maybe organize my room a little better with it. So I thought it was a good idea to upcycle that. But the things that I did buy for this purpose were the pen holder, the file holder, the files with the prongs that you're actually supposed to use to hang the files, and then I also got a clipboard. So I didn't end up using the clipboard, but I did end up using the pen holder, the file holder, and the files. I think that the best place to put my command center, like life organization area, is in that corner back there. Yeah, that one. I already have my cork board up there, so I'm going to see what I can do with the items that I got from the thrift store. And I'm going to try to make them cute too, because obviously it's in my room and I want it to look cute. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take these and get them painted. Files. I'm gonna open it, that way it's easier to cut. And I'm gonna cut the edges off, but you're actually gonna cut closer to the metal so that it's long enough to hold pages without the pages popping out. So I took paint splotches and I wrote the category on them, and then I cut them out and taped them on the file so that I can see what each file is. I'm done. This is my little command center area. I think it came out really cute. It matches my room. Thanks everybody for watching my video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and like this video up. I really appreciate you guys watching all the way till the end. I tried to make this video a little shorter than the rest of them just because I kind of wanted to get straight to the point. Like I said, I just need to get my together, and I am going to do it on YouTube because I feel like a lot of us could benefit from doing just that. So this will be my first episode in my GYSTing series, Getting Your Together. I just kind of want to take step by step to move forward and progress myself, and so I'm just going to figure out ways that I can personally do that, and then I'm going to share them with you guys. I also think it's a good idea because it's December 1st. Happy Vlogmas. So it'll be a great year for new year, new you. And I also think it's great to start actually forming habits before the year starts, just so you can actually stay with some of your resolutions. So I'm really excited to just be more organized and getting my life together. So what do I hope to gain from GYSTing? Basically, I just want to become more productive, more organized, and overall more successful. So yeah, let's do it.